What's up, YouTube? All right, this is Woodley, Team Wildcard Fishing. Was out there messing around, messing with my rod. It broke. I'm gonna show you a little thing on how to fix rod. All right, what you're gonna do? You're gonna grab one half of the rod. You're gonna stick it in the other half of the rod. You're gonna push. I'm just kidding. We ain't talking about that. All right, what we're talking about. I was out there. I hit something. My rod tip, the insert, come out. Let me see. I got one in there. You can see it. All your rods, your guides, have a little insert in there. Some of them aluminum oxide, some of them ceramic. Just depends on what you got. I've broken rod tips before. It's not fun. As you can see, what I'm going to do, that's a broken rod tip right there. We're going to just take that one off and put it on my other one. This one's no good. A lot of times what happens if you break a rod tip, I broke one on my trolling motor, snapped it off. It'll just be hanging on the line. If you take it off, keep it. You can fix your rod. I mean, it'll be 2-3 inches shorter, but you'll still have it. This rod, however, it won't get any shorter. What I have to do is I just have to heat this up. There's a glue right here. These little things are actually glue. And you just pop this one off. You pop that one off. You slide that one on. And it comes with this glue stick. These kits do, these repair kits. The way I look at it, it looks like hot glue. You could probably use a hot glue gun to do the same thing, and it might be even a little less messy. But for this one, we're just going to use the repair kit. I would usually use just a cigarette lighter, but I have a heat gun, and it's a little windy and stuff, and I can't find the lighter that'll work good, so we're just going to use this and see how it works. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this heat up. I'm going to put it on high, and I'm going to heat this up, and we're going to try to take this off of here. It takes a minute to heat up. Grab the pliers and see if I can't get it pulled off. And it's good to twist this stuff too. You want to twist it and make sure that it comes loose. But that glue will hold. It's pretty good. You just got to keep it going here. Burn my darn fingers up here good. And it's super boring. That's why I like a lighter. I mean, at least with a lighter you can kind of focus the heat a little bit better. But the heat gun doesn't get bothered by the wind there as much, so we're going to try this. Alright, see this? Still going. Alright, there we go. And as you can see, it popped right off. You can see the profile of it right there. And alright, we're going to let that sit there. And we're going to heat this other one up. And we're going to pull this one off. that one's off. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait a minute, and I'm going to set that on there and make sure it's the right diameter. I mean, it looks right, but we'll double check it right before we put it on there. Alright, let me turn this off for just a minute. Cool this down. Alright, slide that on, see what that looks like. Alright, looks good, everything looks right. Alright, kind of dry fit it on there. Alright, I like the way that looks. So, alright, give me 1 second, I gotta grab this. Alright, just clean it up a tad. Alright, and then we're going to start melting this glue on here. And what you do with this, you just kind of stick this stuff, heat this up. And like I said, this is nothing more than a hot glue gun stick, I do believe. I mean, it's... Alright, it's starting to get a little goopy. So what I like to do is when it looks like it starts getting wet, I'll just take a little and rub on there like that. Alright. And then I'll heat it back up, because this stuff dries super fast. Alright, I'm going to hold this up here so I can aim it a little bit better. Let me see. Alright. Got it on there, you get it straight. Alright, and then you just let it dry for a minute. And then it's kind of, I don't know, you can kind of see it globbed up right there. Okay, that's kind of what I like. So then I'll flip this over. Well, with the reel on, it's a little bit tougher. I'll flip this over and now heat it up again. And let it kind of dribble down it. And then I'll just kind of rub it out on there. And just kind of repeat that until you get the desired look you want. That is gripping good. And there you go. I don't know if you can see that, but you have a brand new rod tip. And you don't have to fret anymore. You had a rough day. Don't throw it, don't junk your rod. Don't snap it in half over your knee with the rest of it. And if you ever have a broken rod, you know, you're going to throw it away, take the rod tip off of it. You know, go over there and buy you, I think, the Fuji. They make the super nice quality line guides. Go buy something like that. Keep them in your thing. Keep them in your, I keep a little box in my boat. It's got all the repairable pieces and stuff. Something you need to invest in. Alright, this is Willie with Team Wildcard Fishing, and I want you to, you know, check out all the rest of our videos. Subscribe, like them, let me know what you think. talk at you later.